I think I finally found the perfect tutorial for crocheting stripes. I found a tutorial on YouTube by Melissa's Crafts. That's the name of her page. And the tutorial was crochet perfect stripes in the round, jogless stripes made easy. And when I first watched her tutorial, I got overwhelmed and I just said, no, I'm not doing it that way. And I started using a different one that looked easier. And I used the other one that I thought was easier. And you can see the jogs there at the bottom of the tiger's head. And I use that same method for the arms. And you can see kind of where it's messed up right there under the arms. And then at that point, I was getting a little bit more comfortable with crocheting and doing stripes and, you know, trying to figure it out. And so when it came time to crochet the body, I said, you know, let me try to find a better jogless stripe. And so I went back to Melissa's video and I, you know, calmed myself down. I cleared out the room. I got silent and I watched her video. And I realized that one of the things she was asking was, like, you can cut the yarn, which is one of the things that freaked me out at first, because I tend to get a little overwhelmed, and I'm like, I don't want to be cutting yarn and having all these ends to sew in. And then I realized, you know, they're all just going to be inside of the stuffy, so it doesn't matter. So I went back and I said, all right, I'm going to try it. So I followed her instructions. And what a difference. It looks so much better. So let me show you on the body where I did this, the color change, I think is like right in here. So you can still kind of see it, but it's much, much better than the other version. And then the other thing I did is I kind of tried to, when I attached the head and the arms, is put that underneath the arms. So you don't even, you have to go looking for it. You don't even see it. And then same with the legs. Like you can't even see, like I can't even tell you where the color change happened on these legs, which is actually pretty impressive. I'm thinking maybe here because there's one big black spot right there. But to be honest, I don't even know. So I think her technique is really great and I'm excited about it. So if you need to do jogless stripes, you should definitely check that out. And then just on a side note, I just wanted to say how cute is my Tom the Tiger? Isn't that adorable? So I made this for my granddaughter. Look at the button legs, so the legs move. Isn't that the cutest thing? So anyway, I made this for my granddaughter, and it is a pattern from the Zoomigurumi 2 pattern book. And the name of the pattern is Tom the Tiger. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, here it is. Tom the Tiger. So yeah, cute, right? Super happy with it. And can't wait to give it to her. But yeah, if you're trying to do jogless stripes in a crochet pattern, absolutely check out Melissa's Crafts. She has an excellent tutorial and I very much appreciate it. So thanks, Melissa.